Welcome to DF Education Portal. So, in this class, we will discuss about combination reaction. Till this, we discussed about displacement and double displacement reaction, right? So, in this class, we will discuss about combination reaction. So, what is a combination reaction? In combination reaction, two or more substances react together to form a single product, right? That is, two or more reactants. A plus B gives what? C. That means two or more substances reacts to form single product. Such type of reaction we can call it as combination reaction. So the number of reactants must be two or more and the number of product is 1. Number of reactants is 2 or more and number of products is 1, right? So 2 or more reactants or substances combine together to form a single product. Okay, so previously you have done one experiment in this chapter, right? That is, we are taking a magnesium ribbon and we are burning it, right? Then we are getting ashes. And the chemical formula of that ashes is what? MgO, that is magnesium oxide. Here we can say that 2 magnesium plus oxygen. That means magnesium ribbon. For magnesium ribbon we are taking it as magnesium, and for air we can take it as O2, right? So when magnesium ribbon burns, we are getting magnesium oxide. So in reactant side we have two reactants, two substances as reactant and a single product is formed. Okay, so here two reactants are there and single product is formed. This is an example for combination reaction, right? Similarly, we can take one example, that is, we are taking calcium oxide. Okay, calcium oxide we can call it as quicklime. Okay. So when calcium oxide is reacting with water molecule, we are getting what? Calcium hydroxide, right? Calcium hydroxide. Okay. So when calcium oxide react with water, we are getting calcium hydroxide. It's an example for combination reaction. That is, two reactants. In reactant side we have two reactants, two substances are as reactants, and we are getting a single product. And calcium hydroxide we can call it as slaked lime or slaked lime. Okay. So similarly we can take one more examples here. Burning of coal. So what is the chemical formula for coal? Carbon, right? So carbon when react with oxygen, that is, burning means coal is burning in air, right? So for air we are taking O2 as the chemical formula. So C plus O2 gives what? CO2, carbon dioxide. And similarly we are taking hydrogen and oxygen for the formation of water molecule, right? For the formation of water molecule we are taking hydrogen and oxygen. 2 hydrogen and O2 gives 2 H2O. Okay, so these are examples for combination reaction. In these examples we can say that reactant side we have two substances as reactants and the product side have only single compound as a product. Okay, single substance as a product. So by combining two or more substances we are getting a single product. Such type of reaction, such type of chemical reactions we can call it as what? Combination reactions. Okay, then what is the difference between combination and decomposition reaction? In decomposition reaction we are taking a single substance as reactant and we are getting two or more products. Okay, in combination reaction we are taking two or more substances as reactant and we are getting a single product. That means this combination reaction and this decomposition reactions are opposite to each other. Okay, so that's all about combination reaction. Thank you.